Welcome back, folks. How's it going? All right, so I'm taking y'all with me on the Jungle Queen Riverboat Tour. Pretty awesome place here down in Fort Lauderdale. You're gonna see some beautiful scenery, such as this one here. Amazing place, I'm telling you. If y'all get a chance, gotta check that out if you're ever in Fort Lauderdale. Pretty cool. You'll see some nice, beautiful lights and huge mansions that are there. A lot of them are owned by many of these movie stars that y'all watching the TV. Pretty cool. Awesome. All right, enjoy the clips. It's a nice romantic thing too, if you got a date going on. Pretty cool, chill place, man, to watch. I love this place here. Look at this. This is one is so cool. There's another one coming up that I'm gonna show y'all. We play some blue lights there, and the water is just amazing. Man, this thing is awesome. Sun is going down. Mood is right, man. Thing is just awesome. Right here you'll see there's one that's under construction. You wouldn't believe though, it's ridiculous the prices that they charge for a lot of these places here just because they're right on the waterfront here. It's by Las Olas, it's right close by Las Olas if y'all ever seen that. Nice place here too. Alright, so y'all gonna see the one that I was talking about there with the blue lights. Man, this is my favorite one out of them all. I really like this property though. It's nice. Check out them neon blue lights there, man, and check out the palm trees. Oh man, this thing is just so awesome. I really like this place. That's cool. It's just beautiful also with the high-rise buildings there that you see. Man, that's just amazing. I love that. Really, really beautiful scene. It's just so relaxing. Check out these big buildings here. That's just super awesome. Check out these yachts that they got here. Nice big yachts, man. I didn't even know that Lexus made a yacht. I think this one is a Lexus yacht. Beautiful things, man. These things are huge. Yeah, that's a Lexus yacht. That's it. Lexus make cars and they make yachts too. Who knew that? I didn't know that. Amazing, man. Look at this view. This is just so relaxing and so cool. Nice cool air was blowing too, because the temperature was pretty low. Low for Florida at least, but it was amazing. Like this building too. Check out that building here. It's just nice, man. I just love this thing. You see, what I like a lot about this though is that all nations, man, everybody, the white, black, Spanish, Egyptian, everybody just mingle together, and then it's just all full peace, man. Nobody had any kind of issues or nothing like that. Appreciate it, guys. Have a great one. Take care.